Going live. Let's go. Oh no. Alright. Give me a moment, everyone. If anyone's here, anyway. Okay, I'll resize the windows. Sounds like a good idea so we can see everything. Alright, not bad at all. Let me see how OBS handles the windows. Let me resize it. That should be right. You can't see everything, but it's fine. You can see most of the stuff. How about Visual Studio? Visual Studio. Where is it? There we go. Alright, what can you see here? Let's see. Yep, that's good enough. Alright. Let me switch back to the viewers. Alright, we are ready to stream. Welcome to a stream of Unity mapping, game developing. Now, I couldn't speak yesterday, but I can speak today, which is nice. Now, what I am doing, I am quite done with the props, although they don't seem very nice. It's pretty simplistic and monotone area. It needs some variety in the props. These are enemy spawns, obviously. By the way, fun fact about my game, the colors of the enemies are not fixed. You will be given an option to actually choose the color of your team and the enemy team. However, you will be limited on 4 colors, red, green, blue, and yellow. But yeah, what I did now, just before I started the stream, I finished setting up this turret. This will be an auto turret. This means that they will function outside of AI or player. You will not be able to use these ones. However, I do plan on making a usable turret feature in the future. However, it's not currently set. And yeah, it's quite complicated actually. Let me set the turrets to their appropriate position. And yeah, so if I put this one here, for example, let me see the correct. It's 22. Okay, that seems fine. 5. No, 5 is not good. 4. 4 is not good. 4.5. Yeah, that seems good enough. 4.5. So copy, paste. Alright, so they're both in the same spot. And we need them to be equally distanced, which is minus 20, I guess. And 20. Whoa. Wait a minute, what's happening? Maybe minus, okay, it's not minus 20, my bad. What am I doing? Where is it? Aha, so minus 24 then. Yeah, I confused the values, that's fine. Oh no, cringe, you're talking about yourself, I assume. Oh no, cringe. By the way, FOV, this nice FOV system. Of course, I came up with this all by myself. I definitely did not copy this from anyone else. There is like no certain video that I won't post on the on the chat right now. No, I definitely did not copy this FOV system from the video. I just didn't post in the chat. No, definitely, I just came up with this myself. Definitely, yeah. By the way, switching from Call of Duty to Unity is feels so bad because my confidence as a programmer, quote unquote programmer, has diminished very much. Yeah, it's not very fun. Okay, I regret these angles. I will rotate the angles differently. For example, I will make this be 90, no, 2 minus 60, there we go, like that, and this one like that. right? So they cover other areas, you know. And then I'll duplicate those and I'll put them here. Aha, we see there's a difference. Let me see the correct edge. Should be 4 exactly. Yeah, that seems fine. And then I will 22, and this one is 18, just to have more round numbers. So turret MG, that's left bunker. B, how do I left LL, yeah, that's what I'll go with. This is LR, this is RR, right, and this is RL. Oh, we don't need those spaces, that's fine. Alright, so these turrets are set up. However, I have a system here that I did off stream yesterday, and I'll show you how it is here. Let me disable the stupid paths, they're so annoying. So, there are fake turrets that actually follow player outside of player view. And look at that, this is our player, if you can see it. And there are so many bullet impacts, stuff that throw, that being thrown. Okay, but am I stuck? No, I'm not. So what I'm going to do, these are like fake turrets to give you the illusion that there's fire everywhere. When you reach the beach, these turrets will come into effect. What is going on here? Why are those wrong? They're not auto turrets, I guess. Okay, there's something wrong with the turret. So yeah, once you reach the beach, these turrets will apply, and the other ones will stop. Now, there's a problem here. Something is wrong. Okay, some of them are not auto turrets for some reason. I'll just apply it to all of them. Why can I not multi-object says don't support? Okay, whatever. Red, and then all of them have to be auto turrets. There we go. Let's see if they work properly now. No, they don't. No, they don't. And I wonder why. Just spawn pivot. That's not what the pivot is. How about... Yeah, they don't even spawn the turret. What's happening? I mean, it does, but also... Okay, that's very weird. Why is it not spawning it to the right position? This is here, this is here. Those are correct. MG spawn, MG spawn. Aha. So the MG spawn in some of them isn't correct, and I don't know why. MG spawn. Yeah, they have different values. Why do they have different values? Because I didn't apply it here, I assume. Let me apply it then. Okay. Then this should be fine. And I have to do it here. Pivot, is it spawn? Was it spawn? I forgot already. Yes, yes, apply. And there we go. Should be fine now. Yeah, it's just a positioning problem I didn't account for. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Although their spot should be here. They do spawn quite backwards. Let's see. It's correct though. It's quite correct. Wait until I reach the thing here. Come on. No? It's not firing? Okay, this is not good. Have you even seen this? Okay, yeah. Okay, also the paths are very annoying. Can I disable the debug? Show graphs. I'm not sure. Can I let me scan show graphs? Okay, there we go. I can just show graphs or not show graphs. Yeah, let's try to 4.5. Let me see the correct position for this one. No, it's 4.2. Yeah, 4.2 seem fine. So let's do all of them 4.2. Not all of them actually. Those 4.2. What? No. 4.2. Wait, what? This is wrong. Why did it? What's happening? I'm not sure what I did here. Let me undo. All right. This thing is weird. Okay, let's see what's happening now. Right. All right. That works. The position is wrong though. All right, we can deal with that. Why can I not see the field of view though? That's what I don't get since I have it. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. There we go. Now I can see it. Yeah, I didn't select the correct entity. So just put them over here. And these two should be over here. Yeah. Let's go. And yeah, this seems correct. This seems correct. Yeah, that's messed up. Let me no, I can't. Never mind. Dude, this is outside your FOV. Why are you shooting at him? Because I didn't code it to stop shooting at them. That's why. So what I have to do is to, let me show you my script. Go back here and get those uncommented. Yeah, this shit. There we go. And hopefully this is gonna fix the issue. Back to Unity. Compiling scripts. Let's play. And now selecting the right one because it's closer to the good guys. Just have to wait for them. Look at that. It's like an automated turret that goes left to right. Alright, let's see what happens here. Yes, they start shooting. That's cool. Now, if the closest one gets outside of the circle, will you go to the other one? No, you don't. Okay. It's not quite much what I want, though. I mean, it's not going too far outside the FOV. It might be correct. Perhaps I should draw a line showing the aiming. Okay, so get closest target. Okay. Yeah, let's do draw. No, it's debug. Draw line or draw line. What are the parameters of this one? Start and color duration. Okay. So closest target and transform position. No, I can do weapon script. There's a muzzle flash or barrel transform position. Draw a line. It's start end. So start is the enemy, and this one color is gonna be. Is there orange? No. Let's do red then. We already have too many reds, but that's fine. Do we need a duration? Can I not use a duration? Okay, let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. See what happens here. Okay, those are not the lines we need. The lines we need will spawn from this one. Let's see, let me select the RR one. Come on. And yep, there we go, we have the line. See? Yeah, the red lines of the AI don't help, so I should change the color. Let's see if it goes outside the line. Yeah, it changes, so it's good. So once it goes outside the FOV, it stops having a line on it, which means that it switches to the next closest target, which is what I want. And they basically use the get target method I use for the NPCs. They're not the most smart NPCs you will ever see, but I hope they do their work. So yeah. Okay, so what I should do now, I should make a script. Since we have the turret set up and everything, I will make the actual script of the map to code. Actually, I need to disable those as well. Yes. Alright, that's not bad. I can do that. I need to code them though. I need to code them to tell them to disable somehow. So if I go to my script, let me show you. If I go to my script, let me do a bool is no wait. Yeah, is this disabled. There we go. This is automatically false, but I'll do it anyway because I don't care. So we want this bool, if it's true, to stop the aiming, the shooting, and the firing. I mean, aiming, shooting, firing. So the same thing applies basically. So update has these two, is auto turret, else. So we basically want to stop all functionality, which can derive from here. So if disabled, I guess we can do it and not disabled. That should be fine. Let me test this out by dynamically disabling it in the editor when it's firing and see what it does. Let's start. How many people are here, by the way? I see 2 viewers. That's fine. That's fine. Variable is turret disable. Just disable. It's a disable value for the object itself. Now I could just pick this NPC and move it upwards, but their movement system locks them in the position they're moving on. So I'll just select the turret we want. And is it firing? It is firing. Let me disable it. Yep, it stops. Amazing. Look at that. Undisable it. Nice. Very nice. That's cool. Alright, I'll change the color of the lines and do it, what's the name? Maybe orange. Okay, there we go. New color. Okay, what's the orange? Orange is like yellow and red, but wait. So this is white. If I remove all the blue, we have red and yellow. Oh, no, red and green, which gives us, what does red and green use? I don't remember. I forgot colors. What a shameful artist I am. I'll do it 0.5. Yeah, green, red, green. Let's see what this gives us. I think it should be something close to what I want. And I'll just move the turret to see what it does. Let's move it. Yep, it's orange. I figured out orange. It's half yellow, full red, half green, full red. Half green and full red gives us orange. That's pretty cool. Amazing. Now, this turret is ready. Let's go script the map. Do I have a script thing? I don't see. No. Let's make a script object. Script. Alright. And do I have a script in my Folders, campaign. I actually do. Save. Oh, it's the scene. Of course. Is it a different scene? Which scene did I select? Because I have a duplicate of that scene. Okay, it's taking too long. Quite long. Let me go to the script while I do this. I don't have it open here. I'll remove some of the scripts I don't need. Beach storage, I need that. Health, no. I'll keep that. Removing that. Removing that. Game over, no. There are too many scripts. Never mind. Is it ready? It is ready and everything is set up. It's the same map actually. I clicked the wrong thing. So level, campaign 1. Okay. That's interesting. There we go. Create C# C1M1 script. Basically the level script itself. So yeah, this is the empty level script. Why is okay, there we go. Okay, what do I need to do here? How does this start? Oops. How does this start? How do we start it? I need the object. Public game object. I need the object of the fake turrets. What is this? Fake turrets. And then the I need to reference all 4 of the other turrets. Bunker turret LL RL LR RR. No, what am I doing? Like that. Yeah, that's better. So now I need to reference the triggers. Let me do a header. Objects. Now reference the triggers. Public game object beach trigger 1. We have 3 of them, I think. Let me check. All right, let me go back to the editor. Come on, man. All right, let me check the triggers. They're down here. Beach tree 1. Okay, so this is 1. So as far as I can tell, let me see the radius of the thing again. Okay, I think I'll need another one of those. I'll name this just this, then this 1, 2. So this one's gonna be here, right here. Okay, this is the second one, there's the third one. All right, good enough. I'll attach the script here, by the way. I didn't do this yet. I need to reference the turrets. I'll make another object for the actually, I'll put the turrets inside the script. Because, no, wait. Script is not where it should be. I mean, it's an empty game object. It's just gonna be an easier way to organize the script. So turret, follow, and this is gonna stay as it is. They're gonna go below the script. There we go. Turret, follow, and yes, script. Now let's reference the turrets. I mean, I could make it an array of game objects. Sounds like an easier thing to do. Like I did here. I don't think it's... Never mind. But yeah, it's not that big of a deal actually. Right, fake turrets is this object, triggers, let's go to triggers, trigger 1, trigger 2. No, it's 0, 1, 2 actually. Alright, we have them referenced in the script. Now we can start scripting the first sequence, which basically waits for us to reach the first, the second, and the third trigger. And we need to set up a sequence with the much beloved what are their names? Coroutines. We'd love to hate them. So private enumerator landing sequence. I'll name it like that. Landing sequence. And we do a yield return new. Wait 4 seconds. Just to have a wait. So wait for 1 second. Now, because I forgot, let me see my other scripts, how I did it in the training level. I have a training level, but it needs work. So this is the training level script. I'll copy some codes that I don't remember fully. How do we enter triggers? Aha, there we go. That's very good. All right, back here, wait until trigger 1 triggered. There we go. Keep that commented just in case. Oh wait, you don't have. Oh, I don't have the trigger script attached to the objects to the trigger objects anyway. Oh, I do. I do. Okay, why is that then? Why is it that you can't see the thing? Trigger 1 triggered. What does it say? Game object not containing definition of triggered. Are you? Oh, yeah. Got it. This is the game object. It's not the script. Like I do it here. I reference both the game objects and the triggers. I know there should be a smarter way to do this, but I don't know. So I need to do trigger and then do like this, something like that, and then do this. There we go. Now it works. So trigger 1, 2, and 3, and then once we pass the first one, wait a minute. All right, very good. What's the name? Give me a second. What's the name? It's turret. Oh, just turret. Okay. Okay, why not? I guess. Turrets. Actually, this is better. Turret. T. There we go. Okay, I didn't do get component, didn't I? I should actually initialize those here. So get component trigger, and it's 1t equals that. Okay, it's gonna be quite repetitive. 2, 3, and then we go to these guys. Their names are not very easy, but no problem. Don't worry about the red lines. And actually, okay, R, and RL, and then we'll go to turret, and oh, it's the opposite. Pfft. Nice, very nice. It's basically this. There we go. Now we have them all initialized and ready to be used. I need to... Okay, I need to wait for triggers. Then I need this one. No, I don't need to initialize this one because this is basically going to be deleted or disabled. And... or should I do something else? I'm not sure. I think I should delete them for now. So when the first trigger is hit, fake turrets, no, actually it's destroy. Okay, never mind. Destroy fake turrets. There we go. So basically destroy the object that has the many turrets attached to it to give the illusion of stuff. So yeah, where's Hamachion? Come on. I don't need it right now, and it's on. Oh, and then I need to disable those before the init start. I need to disable those. Disable true True. 3. True, come on. Okay. Uh-oh. Pressed the wrong button and I copied it instead of deleting it. True, and then do false here, so they're enabled. Okay, that seems right. And then, once we pass the second trigger, I want to stop the allies from respawning, but the ally respawners aren't perfect because my system is not ready yet. I also need to somehow reference my allies, which I'm not sure how to do. Hello to the chat. Let me go back to the editor and show you what I mean. Where's the editor? There we go. So my editor has these spawners. These are basically actually spawners. Oh, there we go. We have a beach allies thing, and it references the spawners. That's very good. Also, I didn't make a code that deletes any allies when they reach this line, which is what I want to happen. Yes, this is something I need. So, what I'm thinking is to make another trigger that will check for objects that enter it, colliders or on trigger enter, check if these objects are allies, ally NPCs, and delete them once they reach this area. So, I'll first do this and then I'll handle the spawning. The respawning is not perfect right now. We can fix it soon. So, let me see my triggers. What triggers do I have here? Trig 2. No, when I'll make a beach trig NPC kill and put it over here, and this will be right here, right as they reach this area. But this functionality will be disabled once player reaches the I'm not sure, this one I guess. Yeah, it's fine. You can see them dying, but you will assume it's because of the MGs. That's because I don't want them to go beyond this area before player comes to this area. So yeah, besides that, okay, we have the NPC queue. Let's reference that to the script. Let me do a quick reference of it. NPC queue, NPC queue. Alright, you can't see this right now, but it's fine. Alright, compiling scripts. Okay, there we go. Script. Let me reference it. Oh, those are public. They should be private. Okay, I'll make those private as well. OBS, come on. So I'll make those private. They don't have to be public. Private. Private. There we go. Alright, we are not done here. We need to how do I do this? Trigger enter. This is peculiar now. Let me first do this. No, it's a trigger. T equal that equal that. So how do I reference the trigger enter? I need to make a script for that. Bruh. What if I change the trigger script itself, which is this one? How do I script this trigger? Okay, back to the editor. And this is a problem. Back to the editor. I need this trigger, this kill trigger, to be not player and AI allies. So it will not be affected by player, and it will be affected only by AI allies. NPC allies, they're not really AI, but anyway. This is like a system I definitely copied from Call of Duty. Like, this is exactly how triggers are in Call of Duty as well. You have like checkboxes that do the same thing, and this one as well. It's, you know, something I'm familiar with, and I try to replicate here to the best of my powers, and it's still quite buggy actually, but it's fine. We can manage with it. Now, I need to figure out a way to detect incoming objects without making a custom script. Unless I actually make a custom script, which will be quite painful. Because the more scripts you have, the worse. You should be able to like do stuff inside the context of the given thing, but that's how model behaviors work. Can you see the script? No. There we go. Collision, compare tag, colliders. How should I do this now? I'm really not sure right now how to do this. So once they enter the area, they get killed. Or not. Not sure what to do now. Not sure what to do, really. Let me search for something. So what I basically want to do is I want to basically make the NPCs die once they enter this trigger. Let me see how I can do this, because my code here just checks if they join, but there is no way of storing the actual collision object. I mean, we can, but also it will be quite difficult to make such adjustments. Yeah, so I'll make a bool. I'll just do it kill on enter false, and then we'll just check it to yes. Kill on enter. This should go first. Let me do a header. Basic spawn kill kill no do damage. Actually, this is good. Public flood damage. All right, defaults to 0. Okay, that's not bad. Now I need to do this. This basically changes the whole code, which is quite unfortunate. Get component player health, take damage. Is that nice? There is an error. Health, take damage. There is no argument given that the required direction. Collision, maybe I have to do game object like that. Let's see. No. How do I reference the collision? Let me see something. No. It's not working. Get component. So collision. Oh, it's collider. So root. No. Parent. Get component parent. No. Give me a second. That's weird. I'll figure it out, don't worry. We will figure it out. And this doesn't really work. I don't know why. So collision should be able to get component. Player of course has player health, but it doesn't. Let me go to the player health script itself. There is take damage. There we go. There is. Oh, there should be direction and team. I see. Alright, maybe that's my fault. Direction is direction of vector 2. Oh, I lost the script. There it is. Vector 2, alright. So it's vector 2 and team. Team should be like red, I guess. No, yeah, actually red. Actually nothing. Nothing. No team. Just like that. Damage and then vector 2. I guess game. Oh no, it's just transform position. There we go. That should do it. Okay, so I basically didn't have the correct parameters, which is fine. Alright, NPC health in this one because they're NPCs, and the same thing here. Hopefully this is gonna work. Okay, I forgot to have the correct thing. Okay, it's fine. NPC health, there we go. Now. Let's put this to a test, actually. Let's put this to a test. Go back to the editor and select our kill trigger. Where is it? Here. Do damage and damage 99999. Like that. So this is our trigger here. Let's start it and move it over our allies and see what happens if they die or not. I didn't see any errors. Let's move down, see what happens. They should be dying if they... No, they don't. Wait, where's the trigger? It's here. Should be killing them. Okay, what's happening? Why are they not killed? AI allies. That's quite weird. Okay, I'm doing something wrong apparently. Let's go back to the script. Let's see what I did wrong. So if not player AI allies access compare attack collision get triggered. It's not even getting triggered. That's the thing. Yo, wait a minute. What is this? My syntax here is weird. Okay. I'll do it like that to be safe. I mean, I know it shouldn't matter, but I'll do it anyway. It keeps things pretty, in my opinion. Okay. So since it's AI allied, let me do a debug log ally, just to see if this actually occurs. Let's go back to the editor. It's compiling. Okay. And come on. All right, so it should be fine. Let's go down here. No, nothing happens. That sucks. It's not even getting triggered. That's the thing. It's not even getting triggered. Why are you not getting triggered? Come on, man. Whoops. No, nothing. Literally nothing. Yeah. Okay, I'm really not sure what I'm doing wrong. Should I do else if here? Like, I don't want it to be else if because I want these to also happen at the same time. Like, it's not if else. Maybe it's necessary. I don't know. Trigger 2. Oh, there we go. If trigger 2 returns, so it should kill 1 before it gets untriggered. Huh. Bro, this is complicated. This is getting weird. Very weird. And I also need to do if do damage here. Do damage. Like we wouldn't normally apply this damage if do damage is off. So the trigger isn't working for some reason. Spawn trigger. Yeah, this is another story. This is like a spawn trigger. Wait, do I have spawn trigger checked? Oh, you've not seen the script? Shit. No, it's not spawn trigger. Do damage 999. Maybe. No, wait. Wait a minute. Where's this one? Do I do anything with this one? I don't, and that's fine. What's happening? What is happening? Why are you not working? Like, I get this, but I don't even get the first one. Like, if this were to deny the other ones from happening, why would you? Why would you not work? If do damage, trigger equals true. Yeah. I mean, this is not the problem. The problem is it's not even going here. Collision compare tag. Those used to work. Actually, you know what? I haven't tried them on the thing. What's the thing? I haven't tried them on non-player entities. Let me try it on player. Maybe it's the thing. Let me do not player false and let me try it on player. Let me show you. Maybe it's the NPC thing. Maybe it's it works on player because my script is incomplete. See, does it do damage to me? Yeah, it does. Okay, so it's the wrong tag that I'm using because those have to be. Let me see. Where's the NPC prefab? NPC. So yeah, the tag I need to use is NPC. Okay, I found the problem. So the tag I need to use is NPC. I'm doing compare tag, ally, enemy. Okay, those aren't gonna work. So I need to somehow define AI allies and AI enemy. Okay. If AI allies NPC is the correct tag and collision get component NPC stats team equals I need to get player team somehow. I can, and I okay, wait, what's happening here? Get component method is oh yeah, we need the thing. I need to somehow reference player. I do this in the cameras, I think. Let me see. And I should store player in a global variable, but I don't know. I don't remember if I did this. So game setup, it's main camera. I think I do it here. Player, how do I oh, there we go. Game object, find game object with tag. I know that using find like that isn't very optimal, but man, I really have to do it. Okay, game object, find game object with tag. Yeah, okay, it's now just the thing. I just need to get component. Where are you? Get component, player stats, and then team. There we go. There we go. There it is. We have it. There it is. So you find the NPC and then you check if the NPC's team is the same as player team. If it's allies, if it's axis, I mean enemies, you know, allies, axis, then we do if it's not player team. Now that should do it. This is getting overly complicated. All right, let's go back to the editor. Let's okay, compiling scripts. Close it. Oh, not all of it. Closing this. Closing this. Alright, let's test our trigger. There it is. Now it should be killing our allies. Hopefully it will. But I want to see the triggered state. No, it doesn't. It does detect them, but it doesn't kill them. It's probably because it's already triggered, and if it's triggered, it doesn't run, I think. Bruh. Okay, let's see if trigger true. Okay, let's remove this statement. I guess, I don't know, maybe it's not that necessary, I don't know. It is because it's doing get player all the time, which is something I don't like. Or, you know what, wait. Okay, since we are gonna reference player, I can do find emoji with tag. I'll copy this, I'll make, is there a start? Let's do private game object player object. Let's reference player like that to keep it optimized. We don't want to use the find object method all the time. Player object, there we go. Yeah, this should be more optimal now. Player health, and yeah, this should stay like that. It should stay like that. Because we need to do the collision player, because you don't know if it's another object. Okay, we should be able to be more optimal now. And yeah, we should check this one as well. If it were, oh, you're not seeing the script. Anyway, here it is. I added this, so I added it here, so it's more optimal. You couldn't see this before because I forgot to switch. That's fine. How many people are watching? 1 or 2 or something? It's 2 people. Yeah, that's fine. Now, I want to check what will our trigger, our kill trigger kill. Okay, where's the kill trigger? There we go. Okay, does it kills everyone. Nice. And it kills player as well. Okay, it works. It does run every frame, but it's fine because we do need it to run every frame. Okay, so this is not player from now on. I also need to close the things I expanded to keep things organized. Turret follow thingy. Is it like its own? Okay, that's fine. This has to be outside of any hierarchy because it's following player dynamically, and and yeah. Nice. So what we need to do now is to optimize the ally spawns. What's this error? Beach follow end. Now we're fine. You don't have a problem. See, whatever. Never mind it. OBS. Okay, we're clear. Let's see. What's our sequencing look like? Trading C1 and all. So delete fake turrets, enable those, and when do I need to disable the other trigger? To the yeah, okay. After the second trigger, after this one, we will disable the kill trigger. Actually, the object itself, not the trigger itself. So the object itself, actually, take the destroy thing, put it here. Oops. Really? This is so much different from what I'm used to. At least it highlights my stuff, so I guess that helps. Now, bits trigger 2, and here we want to stop the enemies, the allies from respawning. And you can't see this, so yeah, we are destroying the trigger here. Now we'll go back and see what happens with the spawners. So my spawners are, give me a second. Okay, my spawners are beach allies. Yeah, there we go. They're here. Those are my spawners. They're coded to spawn NPCs, but let me observe their spawning because I know that there's something wrong. So, spawned one. Let's follow this one. Or actually the corner one because it's easier. Okay, died. Then another one should spawn. Alright, 2 of them spawn, which is not what I want. And that should be happening because there should be an oversight of mine here. We have a 10-second delay. Flooder is like the respawning thing. Let me see. I think there's a thing. Let me open the code and show you. I think there is a thing with the floater thing. I think I might have an oversight. So it spawns 2 times. Why does it spawn 2 times? So it dies and it spawns 2 times. Why? Spawn delay. NPC no. Okay, I don't know why it spawns twice. If it's not floater. I see. See, I didn't do this check over here. So I guess might as well add it like that. Yes, yeah, there we go. Okay, let's see if this was my oversight. Let's see if this is my mistake. Let's see if this is what I did wrong. Okay, come on, start. There we go. So let's follow the story of this guy. If he dies 10 seconds, another one should spawn. Not 2 of them, just 1. Alright. I think I figured it out. Whoa, that was a very fast spawn. That's troubling. He died. 1. As long as... Okay, one of them dies immediately and the other one... So there's delay every 2 deaths. And every 2 deaths there's also no delay. Okay, that takes unreasonably long for him to respawn. Okay, there's definitely something else wrong. I need to also figure out what this is. My respawn logic doesn't seem very efficient. So we have respawn delay. Spawn delay, we don't need this one, it's just for the first spawn. And do I have, let me see if I have immediate spawn on them. I think I don't. I do. I do have immediate spawn. So what if I don't have immediate spawn? Respawn on death? I do have respawn on death as well. Let me show you here. So I have those 2. I'm not sure how I use them in script. I need to remember my code because respawn on death. Where is this being used? Here. Immediate spawn. Okay, we don't care about that. And spawn NPC. Respawn delay. What is happening? Okay, let me try something. I'll disable floater, respawn delay 10, spawn delay 0, count these 2 and keep these 2, see what happens without the floater thing, because I think I shouldn't have added the floater thing anyway. Let's see what happens. How many times it will respawn, if it will die on death and stuff like that. Oh, I remember why I wanted the floater thing, because I wanted it to spawn again anyway, and it does. Okay, so this guy didn't die and he respawned. That's interesting, because this only happens if it's oh, I did the wrong one. Bruh. Okay, never mind. Okay, so they all will have now the same settings. So they will only die if they will only respawn if they're dead. Which is not what I want. I want them to keep spawning and spawning. Okay, I think I figured out what I want now. I think I know what I want now. So I want these to not respawn on death, but be floated instead. Respawn delay. Okay, back to the script. I think I know what I want now. Okay, so they're not floaters, so since they're floaters, they will just wait for the respawn delay. No immediate spawn as well. We shouldn't do immediate spawn. Let me disable it quickly, because this will yeah, this will spawn them anyway. And yeah, I think we should be fine with this one. Now, you would ask, why don't... Oh, wait, ready to respawn? Where is this set? First spawn, NPC died. Yeah, we don't need this one. Don't worry about this one. So you would ask, why am I not putting all the ifs in one if, since they're doing the same thing? I don't remember why, but I had to do it this way to be 100% sure it's gonna work. Give me a second, by the way. Okay, let's see. Hopefully, we're gonna have a desired result now. So every 10 seconds, NPCs will spawn. They don't even spawn. And regardless if they die or not, every 10 seconds they will keep spawning. So what if I do immediate spawn? Let me go back. What if I do immediate spawn? Respawn death, ready to respawn. Game object NPC, spawn name, if not ready to spawn, suckers team. So maybe I should do immediate spawn. But immediate spawn... okay, let's try with immediate spawn, see what happens. Because I think that's the setup I had in the beginning, but it was respawning them 2 times. Let's see what happens now. Every 10 seconds, regardless if they die or not, an NPC will spawn. Okay, so we need to see these 2 spawn at the same time. Alright. Alright. This one spawns earlier because this one died. That's very weird. Not sure if this is working the way I want it to work. Yeah. And these stars, no, the stars are not working. That's fine. Okay, let's do another test. Let's do another test. I'm not sure what's happening. Let's go again. Their delay is the same, right? Their delay is the same. So regardless if they die or not. Okay, this one dies and then he respawns. What's happening here? Let's go again. I'm really confused. I need to make sure that this works correctly, because respawning NPCs is a dangerous thing, because if you spawn too many you'll get extremely bad performance. And this is supposed to be the first level. You don't want to mess up the first level. Let me remove this one. Actually, no, I like it. I need it. I don't know. Does dying make them respawn? I think it does. I think I figured out why. I think it does because here we wait for this to be null, which means we wait for it to die. Yeah, this is the count. We don't worry about that. This is respawn NPC. This is the core routine, basically making sure that this is not running twice, which is what we need. So maybe we don't need this part. We added it before for some reason. Not sure why. I'm confused again. I'm losing track of my own shit. Let's see what happens now. So let's see. If they die, they all have to spawn and die at the same time. Like, if they die, it doesn't matter. They should all respawn at the same time. Let's see. 10 seconds it is. Aha, now we have the duplicate spawn. This is why I added this thing. This checks if it's already spawned. That's why. So there's one frame that somehow... Wait. There's one frame that tells it that is actually, you know, it's not alive, and it spawns it twice, which is not what we want, and it's getting complicated, and I don't like this. I don't like this. Anyone viewing, by the way? How many viewers do we have? 0 viewers, just by myself. It's fine. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe I can utilize ready to respawn, I guess. Yeah. I think this is what I should do. Or maybe not. First spawn NPC die. No, this is for another use. I don't spawn NPC. So our problem if I keep this is that when they die, it respawns, and I don't want that. So what I need, spawn delay, start recording, respawn delay, wait for seconds. Wait a minute. Spawn NPC delay. Now that's we don't need this one. This is for another thing. Delay, spawn NPC null. How do I do this? I'm very confused. Making respawners is hard. Like, if it was Call of Duty GSC, it was still very hard to figure it out when I was learning it. But now and this is just core programming. It's not even surface level programming. It's like the actual game code. It's like the spawner entity code that I have. This is actually the spawn where NPCs will spawn from. This is not. It's like a a spawn. So maybe if I ready to respawn. No, I don't think I need this. Do I have immediate spawn on? I do, and maybe that's why. Maybe I need ready to respawn, or okay, this is very confusing. So all I want is Flodder to keep respawning every 10 seconds, regardless if the NPC is null or not. But it spawns it 2 times for some reason, and I don't know why. If immediate spawn. So I'll do an if in start. Maybe this will sort things out. If not immediate spawn and Flodder, then what do we do? Then we spawn the first guy. Spawn delay. What's that? Start coaching spawn delay here on PC. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do it like that. But you'll say it's the same thing. What's the point? I don't know. There has to be some sort of trickery I can do. Spawn delay. I guess spawning it here is like, I can do this now. I guess I can go back to the editor now. Make them all not immediate spawn and just Flodder. But that doesn't make sense. I should be able to have them both immediate spawn and Flodder. I don't know. My code is just bad. I'm a bad programmer. So every 10 seconds they should spawn regardless if they die or not. If they die and respawn immediately, then we have a problem. If they respawn 2 times, then we also have a problem. Like that. Like that, exactly. Let's see. I'm sure I have an oversight somewhere. Like, I just didn't do anything here. This is pointless what I did. Wait, let me show you the code. So many freaking windows. I need the second monitor again. So annoying. So we are in the editor. We will keep immediate spawn, and then back in the code I will remove this useless piece of code. And respawn on death. We don't need this. Ready to respawn. What if I just copy all that and don't do respawn on death and just respawn anyway? Yeah, let's try this. Just not respawn on death. Ready to respawn. Keep it, because maybe this is the key to all the problems count, and just not ready to respawn on death, you know. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it works. I'm really not sure what I'm doing, because I know I wrote the code, but I'm just... Oh, okay, it took it a moment. Alright, let's see. Okay, one died. No, they just don't respawn at all. Wait, do I have the correct things? I have Flora, I have respawn on that. Okay, someone respawned. Just two of them. I think these guys are the guys who died. And these guys die correctly, that's nice. So these two guys, okay, they respawn only if they die. Which is ready to respawn, I think. Let me see. Stop. Ready to respawn. Where is ready to respawn? There we go. Ready to respawn. What do I do here? I don't remember why I did this. This is... If not ready to respawn, start coroutine. We wait until the spawn NPC is null. Interesting. What is this? I don't know what I'm looking at. First spawn NPC died. Ready to respawn. So this happens once. This happens once. Why is this happening once? It's been a few weeks, I mean, maybe a couple weeks since I did this. Not sure why I did this. Respawn, no, it's ready to respawn. Ready to respawn. If it's not ready to respawn... Okay, ready to respawn basically checks if it's dead. Bro, this is complicated. Okay, we don't delete the spawner, obviously. This was the older version when I was deleting the spawner. First spawn NPC died. What about respawn on death? Where is this being used? Nowhere! Respawn on death is nowhere. Okay. I see what you're doing. Okay, let me do another private coroutine. Give me a second. Yeah, I'm back, by the way. Yeah, I'm quite confused. Very confused. I'm trying to change stuff. So basically, ready to respawn will mean that the NPC that spawned has died, which is not something I'll be utilizing here. Ready to respawn. Yeah. I'm not sure. No, I don't need ready to respawn here. Can't. I'll merge those, by the way. I need some of those deleted. There we go. This is useless for now. I'm not using it. I'll delete it. It's fine. I guess let's see what happens. I don't know. Let's see. I'm not sure. I think I've lost track of it right now. Okay, every 10 seconds I want them to spawn. Regardless if they die or stay alive, it doesn't matter. It shouldn't matter. They should all spawn every 10 seconds normally. Okay, those spawn earlier. I don't know why. Why do they spawn 2 times? It's some sort of coroutine called twice. This is getting far too complicated right now. I mean, yeah, it's good to have varied spawn times, but it doesn't matter. Like, I can do this later, and it's not a big deal. Oh man, what's happening? They should have immediate spawns. Like, they should all spawn at the same time. But let me see their stats, by the way. Immediate spawn. Don't need this one. Slaughter. Yes. Spawn delay. Ready to respawn. Yeah, that's nothing. Okay, let's see. Let's check. One start. This one. What is this one? Okay, you're this guy. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's keep an eye out on ready to respawn. Actually, let me keep an eye out on this one. It should flash before it spawns. Aha. It's on. So once this is on, it should wait for 10 seconds, I guess. Right? I don't see anyone respawning though. And it's okay. I should wait. So yeah, this worked. But ready to respawn. Okay, what's happening? Let me see the code again. Ready to respawn. Slaughter. It doesn't matter here. Count spawned AI. This is the thing. But if I remove this, it will spawn 2 times. Because I don't know. Let's try. It'll probably spawn 2 times, but I don't know. Hopefully not. I don't know why, but hopefully not. Let's see. Every 10 seconds they should spawn, regardless if they die or not. And if they spawn 2 times, then I have to find why do they spawn 2 times. It's some sort of timing. Yeah, see, I'm doing something wrong with the timing, and I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, because I think that once this spawns, this also is called, so it's called twice, because this is called once. This is called once. This is called immediate spawn. It shouldn't affect us. This should be called twice. This is called twice for some reason. Let me okay, let me do debug log. Okay, floater start. Spawn. Okay, and I'll disable. Come on. I'll disable the everyone except one. Where is my freaking editor? Okay, everyone except this guy. So I'll disable those and start. Any errors because I disabled them? Okay, spawn floater start. 2 of them. Look at this. 2 of them. It's 1 of them, and we have 2 of these messages. So it goes here twice? Is that what you're telling me? Update. And spawn as well, but even though there are 2... Yes, even though there are 2... Oh, you know what? Maybe it's this guy. But this guy is not a floater. He's an immediate spawn guy. So it should be 1 float and 2 spawn, but we have 2 of them. Now this is getting very confusing. It's as if... Freaking map. Come on. This is getting too... Green rifle. Green rifle? Why are they... What? What is this? Oh, it's this. Oh, never mind. Bruh, my bad. It's not a problem. Our problem is elsewhere. Our problem is. I'm watching, by the way. 0 viewers. It's all just me. It's fine. What can you do? Check this out. I could just mess it up. No, it's fine. So it's been called twice. Why is it called twice? Why is it called twice? Come on. Let's find it. So this is called twice when it shouldn't be called twice. So update is here, and okay, I'm back, and why is this being called twice? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Start coroutine. So this should deny it from wait a minute. Check this out. I think this is it. I think that was it. Let's see. That should be it. Alright, let's see. Yeah, there we go. 2 spawns and 1 floater start. Just what we need. Oh, you can't see the log though. Yeah, you can actually see it in the corner. That's fine. You can see it here. Yeah, this is it. That was it. Let's see. Let's see if everything else works as we need it. Alright. Regardless if they die or not, it should be, you know. Come on, come on. Yep, just like that. Very well. Perfect. Alright, I figured it out somehow. So let's see if the normal spawn is affected by this, because I changed this code now. Remove that, remove the spawn as well. I want to check if the normal spawn works, like ready to respawn. Yeah, not flooders, but just respawners. Ready to respawn basically waits for it to die, and yeah, respawn on death. That's why respawn on death is needed, because it allows this to happen. If we have respawn on death on, and not flooder, of course, because they should be canceling each other. I need to make this clearer somehow. Okay, back. Oh, you couldn't see it, so yeah, I was showing the code. So let's make them normal spawners and remove flooder, make it 5 seconds, and respawn on death. See what happens now. So what I expect them to happen now, when they die after 5 seconds they respawn. That's what I need them to happen. So this guy died, 5 seconds, and he should respawn. Yes. Let's go again. Respawn any moment. Alright. Okay. That's actually good. Now these will die up here and they will respawn here. Yeah, I'm quite satisfied now. Alright, one problem out of the way. It's not perfect. And yeah. It's not perfect, but it's fine. It's fine as it works the way we want it to work. Both cases work. Hopefully I don't have any other oversight. This one was my mistake. I didn't return the coroutine here to check if it's to actually assign it that it's actually working. That's why we had the duplicate call. Are you watching? No, I was talking about this one being my mistake. I didn't do this, so this basically was not null. Yeah, so this was null and this was called twice. So yeah, let's go and see what our next step is. So what I want to do now is, once we reach this bitch, to stop the spawners. Do we have these spawners though? Beach allies. Beach allies is an object that holds all the spawners. Where is this object though? Oh, it's in the center of the map. That's fine. Why is it in top there? Why is it there? That's weird. Okay, I'll ungroup these. I'll move this down here so we can keep track of it. No Z offset, then put it back here. All right, now we have the spawners in one object. I will beach allies. Actually, I will rename this to sea allies. Sea allies, because we will have beach allies respawning over here. Or should I have them back here? I don't know. I guess back here should be where I should respawn allies once you pass this area. I'm not sure what I have planned. I will check my notes in a bit. But right now, let's go back to script. Finally moving over the script of the map. Let me show you the script. There we go. And once we killing this, and then we stop the respawners. How do we stop the respawners? We reference NPCs. We reference public game object see respawners. Respawners. There we go. See respawners, and then we destroy. Whoops. Destroy C respawners. Alright, so basically no more respawning for our allies. I mean, I could make their count go to 0 so they can't respawn, but I think it's more optimal to destroy the object. And let's see if that happens. So we'll basically rush. Actually, you know what? Let me increase the speed of player, because I have been I should do this like so long ago, and I have been delaying it. So here's our speed. I need to increase my stamina power Sprint speed. No, sprint speed is fine. My stamina duration. Sprint duration. Wait, what? Where do I use that? Oh, sprint duration. Right. My full stamina. Where's the stamina? Stamina. Current stamina. Start current stamina 1. Okay, it's the max number. So how much do we remove? Where do I remove the stamina? Current stamina minus here. I remove it here. Sprint duration. Sprint duration 5. Right. Right, I see. Yeah, this is also very clumsy code as well. I'm not proud of it. Okay, this is also what I want to change. Sprint duration. So sprint duration. What if I make this 15? What if I make this 15? Oh, okay, maybe it's too much. What if I make this 10? And then go here, current stamina 0, sprinkle downfall. Okay, let's, wait, what? 3 seconds. Okay, I'll do it this way. Let's see what happens now. If my sprint is bad or not. Also, I need to expand the game view. I don't know how much of it you will be able to see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, see how I don't know if you can see it actually. You can't see anything. Great. I had it off screen. That's fine though. Because I'm not. Where's the window? I'll get back to the script. Actually, it's not working the way I wanted. So let me study this for a moment. So current stamina equals 0. Stamina region. Where is this being called in? Where's the sprint key press? Yeah, there we go. Sprint key pressed, and I want this. And negative this. All right. All right. There we go. Another variable false. Yeah, it used to be 3 seconds. Like I wanted to wait. It's been a while actually. I don't remember why I did this. It was like 0. Or it was 3 and 0.1 or wait. Or 0.1 and 3 because I wanted to have a small delay before it starts regenerating. But I regret that because it's not very fun this way. It's very annoying. So I regret that. So is cooldown just here? No, it's also here. Sprint lock, how about sprint lock? Sprint lock is also there. So you basically sprint lock here. Okay. I guess, yeah, but I mean, it does seem quite useless. Okay, let's remove that and make this 0.2. See what happens now. Let's go here. How many other viewers do we have? Just one, that's fine. Appreciate it, Andrea. Is it playing? It's playing. Let me adjust the view for you guys. No, not this one. Let me adjust the view right here so you can see the UI. So the blue bar is the sprint. Let's deplete it to see what happens. Okay, it's depleting and it's charging only if I stop moving, which is what I want. Okay, that actually seems fine. It does recharge quite. Whoa, stop. Okay, it stopped recharging. Why did it stop recharging? And I'm not even moving. Okay, that's bad. Go back to the script. I think I changed something. Give me a moment. There we go. Alright. What did I mess up? I messed up something. How about keeping this weight? Maybe this is necessary. How about, yeah, maybe it was there for a reason. I don't remember. Again, it's been weeks since I coded this. And I've coded so many other things in the meantime, and it gets confusing after some time. Because I'm quite a bad programmer. Alright. Sprint, stop. Sprint, stop. Let's deplete it and see what happens. Let's keep sprinting. It's not recharging. When I stop, it starts recharging. Okay, I think that weight was necessary for some reason. Those bool values, for some reason, were necessary. Okay, it's not getting stuck now. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so I don't remember why, but they were there for a reason. And yeah, let's keep it the way it is. Just remove the long delay. Okay, it got bugged now. I have to restart the game mode because I alt-tabbed. There we go. Okay, let's see what happens. I want my... Let's see. So I want to see my respawners. Actually, you know what? Leave the gaming view. Let's go to my OBS here. Okay, there we go. We'll see it from the what's the name? The editor view. So we have set our respawners to die once we reach here, so no allies will respawn. Also, I think I should increase the respawn, decrease the respawn delay, because we do want some more of our allies to be here, or just add a few more spawners. We don't want too many of them, but we want enough of them, just enough of them. So we want to see these turrets be enabled. I guess no, they're not enabled. Maybe I forgot to do it. Okay, and these turrets don't die as well. So there's a lot of things that don't work in the script. C respawners, C allies, right? I referenced that. So back in my script now. Come on, there we go. Back in my script. Not this one. This one. Disabled false. This doesn't seem to work. This doesn't seem to work. This doesn't seem to work. So let's do it. Debug log. See if we actually go here. Trig 1. Beach trigger 1. Let me see if I reference this properly. Component trigger. Back in the editor. Script. Beach trigger. This one. It's trigger. And it has all it needs to have. So yeah, this trigger is here. It is trigger. It's referenced here. And I referenced it in script. It should happen. This should be enabling the turrets here. Alright, let's see if it actually happens. Maybe it's not the trigger itself. Maybe it's something else. Let's see if it actually happens. If the thing, you know. Okay, running. I'm here, down here, if you can see me. Whoop. Misclick. Never mind. This is annoying. We want to see these things delete. They don't. Not even. I don't even get a thing. The debug log thing. No, that's not the debug log we were waiting for. Back in the script. Let's see what I'm doing wrong. I think I don't call the coroutine. Yeah, I'm not calling the coroutine. Makes sense, right? If you don't call it, how is it gonna work? It's fine. This is not this is an expected problem. It's not a big deal. I'm keeping this here for reference. Okay, now it should be working. Let's see. Any errors? I hope not. Any viewers? one viewer, that's fine. Keep moving. Now the script should take place, I hope. Freaking dogs. And let's see them delete it. Yep, they delete. They delete as they should. Although I don't think the the transition is very smooth. And we do need more allies around. Look at that. Okay, the good thing is the turrets work the way they should. That's cool. Look at that spot. Okay, so yeah, this is normal. Although, I'm not sure how I want this to go. Like, once we go through this area. Let me see. Oh, I lost. That's fine. I lost. Okay, that's fine. Let's balance our respawners. I will set more of them to respawn, and then I will delay. I'll make them die much later. Like, I'll make them die. Stop dying after we go through this area. Let's go to my spawners. Where are my spawners? NPC, C allies. So their respawn time, 5 seconds is fine. Or should I make it like 4 seconds? It's a risky thing because we don't want too many of them spawn at the same time. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay. That wasn't 4 seconds. I think I forgot to change it on all of them. No, it's 4 seconds. Respawn delay 4 seconds. Okay. Well, let's do it 1 second. See how they like this. I mean, I don't even know anymore. Okay, they respawn fast, but not as fast. Maybe my values are wrong. Let me see this. Respawn delay, right? Spawn delay. Aha. So we have. Okay, that's actually correct. It's actually correct. Respawn delay. So delay, spawn delay, start coroutine delay. Wait for seconds. Delay. All right, the value is appropriately passed. Now spawn died. We don't wait for that. This is not something that applies. Spawn NPC get state. Can you hear the dog, by the way? Yeah, you can hear. Stupid dogs. It's not my dog, by the way. We have way too many dogs in the area, and I hate it because they're very loud all the time. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. I'm trying to figure out why the delay is like that. And so rank, no, that's not it. So 1 second is not 1 second. I don't know why. Wait for seconds. Is there any other one? Like, I think there's another wait for seconds thing. Wait for seconds real time. What does this do? Creates a yield structure with given number of seconds using unscaled time. Maybe unscaled time is like the actual 1 second using scale time. Let's try this then. Let's try the real time. Maybe real time is the real time seconds we wanted. Let's see if that's it. So it's 1 second, I guess. No, it's not. It's 5 seconds. It's like it's 5 seconds. It's not even 1 second. And I do change it, right? Like, I actually change these guys. Like, respawn delay. Spawn delay is another thing. Spawn delay is, it's not affecting us. But come on, man. Nothing here. Brother, come on. Why are they not responding to the time I give them? I don't get it. Like, they're not floaters. Ooh. Bruh. Another oversight by SP. Well done. They should be floaters. Respawn on death should be off. I mean, it doesn't matter. If you have floater, you will either have floater or respawn or death. How many seconds? I think it's 5 seconds now. Yeah, let's do it 1 second. I think I can do it in real time. Nice. Oh, this is gonna get too bad. Wait. Okay. I figured it out. I forgot to put the correct things. Let me try the normal function method I set. I did it back to not real time. Wait. See how this works. Viewers, just one again. Sad. All right. 5 seconds. Come on. There we go. Reducing it to 3 seconds. 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is good. I think 3 to 4 seconds is a good delay to have. So we both not overload the NPC count. I think I'll do it 4 just to be safe. 4 should be fine. And maybe add some variable spawn delays. Yeah. So let's randomly pick a few of them and do a spawn delay of 1, and then the rest of them, whoa, easy, and then the rest of them will have like 0.1, and all of them will have 4 seconds of general delay. All right, let's see if this looks good or bad. Can you see? Okay, can you see? Fine. And all right, just give some variety, you know. It looks fine. I want to see how. I want to make a counter actually. I want to see. Can I make a counter? I mean, it's not too many of them. The amounts are fine. The amounts are fine. I don't like the way they pile up here though. Like, they should be able to go this way. If they're coming from these two spawners, they should be able to go this way. I don't like how they pile up here. There should be something with the pathfinding. Show graphs. I don't know what it is that maybe I have too many things here. I don't know what blocks them from actually doing the whole thing. Maybe I should remove let's just try to do something different with these. Maybe these are the problem. This one here, this one here. Hopefully this is gonna be different. Let me rescan the thing. Okay, rescan the paths, scan. Did it scan? Alright, let's try again. Maybe they will move to a more natural path right now. No, he chooses to move this way. I don't know why they choose this path. I would understand if it was the other side because the edge is to the right, not to the left. But these guys take a different turn, and these guys don't. I don't know why they picked this path. Like, I know there are ways. This system is the A star or whatever pathfinding, and I watched some tutorials that say that you can make different paths and stuff. But they're way too smart things for me. Like, I don't know if I'll bother to research them, if I don't have to, of course. But yeah, I don't know why they don't just pick this way. Maybe if, let me just remove in play mode, it doesn't matter, I can just remove some of them. Rescan the paths, see if they change anything. No. What if I change these? Freaking dogs. Shut up. Come on, man. Scan. Anything different? No, they keep picking this path. Okay, you know what? I won't deal with this right now. I don't know if I'll deal with it right now. We will see. We will see. Who can say what it is? Now, before I move on, I want to do the spawner thing. We will have another group of allies spawn, not sea allies. They will be beach allies. Beach allies. And this whole object actually will be up here. And these guys will spawn actually back here. There are too many of them. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 guys. I want 8 guys, so I'll delete 2 of them. Alright. I'll move them to more compact position. Alright. Maybe 6 of them? How about 6 of them? I think 6 of them is a more balanced number. Okay. I guess... No, I don't want them to be too close to the props. This guy... And just won't shut up, man. Okay. Oh, wait, what? I selected them. What happened? Yeah, I guess this way. Just move like that. Okay, this is fine. You can see them spawn, but it's fine. And maybe they're too close, but it's fine. This one as well. How about pick the whole thing? Whoa, nope. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's cool. Now, these guys will not have immediate spawn. They... I want them to be spawners. I want them to spawn through a trigger. Respawn on death, yes. Not immediate spawn. Count 999. Respawn delay. The spawn delay will be 0.1. Respawn delay 1, doesn't matter. They're not flawless, these ones. What I need from these is to be spawned from a trigger, which is something I have done already. Bunker enemies do spawn from trigger, and I see they don't have anything. Not even a count? Wow. I think they should have count though. It's up. Count. Yeah, they should have count. Count 1. Okay, bunker are enemies. 1. Just one shot up, man. I can't do anything about it. And the trigger, bunker L. There we go, spawn trigger. Let me see what I do with it in the script. Let me show you the script. Okay, so trigger spawner. So let's see what we do. Spawner is going to spawn X. Oh, okay, never mind. That's cool. That's cool. So spawn X. Let's see what spawn X does. I'm gonna go to it. All right, spawn X. It just spawns it. It spawns the AI. But then I need another bull public bool spawned from trigger. False. All right. I also need to put those above here. Spawn from trigger false, and this X thing will do it true. True. And if this is true over here, if spawn from trigger, which will not interfere with the rest of them, if spawned from trigger, we will need it to respawn from death. Yeah. I'll basically need to add this functionality. Maybe we'll see if it works like that. I'll see if I can adjust it. It's false, and then spawn from trigger 2. True. Okay. So basically, wait a minute. I need to go back to the code and change one line. Respawn on death, and respawn on death. There we go. It's fine. Nice. All right. Right. So these guys will start spawning once we reach this trigger 2 actually. There it is. Once we reach this trigger, the death barrier for allies will be deleted. Wait, what? Where do I stop the respawners again? Let me see. The respawners died there. Really? Very interesting. Oh, also this spawns the enemies as well. Wow. Nice. So let me lock this and add the beach allies as well. Yep. There's a lot of NPCs. These are scary. Alright. That's cool. Hope it works. I do hope it works. I need to time the thing though, so let me see in the code. We disable those, we disable the kill trigger. Okay, and we'll for 3, we'll spawn the guys. Okay, that's actually all we need. That's actually all we need. Let's see if it works. Is anyone watching, by the way? See, 2 guys are watching. That's cool. Okay, let's see if this works. So, what we're trying, let me remove that so you can see. What we're trying to do is see if the code works, if the turrets get deleted at the appropriate time, if the allies stop respawning at the appropriate time. The turrets work fine. The second trigger, what does the second trigger do? Deletes. Okay, our C respawners are deleted. Have to move here and more of our allies will spawn. Epic. Now we have a whole lot of army to fight with. Let's see if the NPCs will make it themselves. So let me pause and remove the map so you can see. Because map, there we go. Remove it. Hide it. No, it's not hiding. What's happening? Maybe it's because I have a loop, that's why. So I'll just disable the HUD. No, it won't disable. What if I move the minimap? I can't. How about this one? I can't. How about... Okay, I can move it now. That's fine. So, let's see if the NPCs will actually make it. Some of them stuck around corners and it's annoying. But let's see if they will just do the thing. Also, it lags. I don't know if it's because of the NPCs or because of the thing. I mean, it doesn't lag too much. Game looking sick. Graphics are high. Oh, thanks anyway. Okay, the allies did make it through, so I do need to nerf the allies if there are too many. So what I need to do is that if we hit this trigger and the allies are too many, actually, yeah, I have another idea. I'm not sure. I'm thinking how to balance this shit. This is my player. I will spawn NPCs inside. Oh, they don't spawn. Why do they not spawn? No, it's not. Bugger L enemies. Got my own merch? What do you mean? Are you asking me if I have my own merch, or... Okay, so we do trigger this trigger. Wait a minute. What am I even... Oh, it's locked. The inspector's locked. That's why. So, why don't they spawn? Spawn from trigger. Comms 1. He should spawn. Why are they not spawning? Bunker trigger L. What if I do trigger like that? No. Bruh. Why is it not working? Where are these guys firing to? Nice. But if they kill him, okay, okay, I see. Okay, I see, it's fine. Look at these bunkers. Also, we don't disable those. We need to be disabling those once we hit the appropriate triggers. So let me go and code that really quick. I need to start the coroutine here, bunker left, actually, and bunker right. Bunker left, bunker right, and we need to reference the bunker triggers. Bunker R trig, bunker L trig, initialize it here. Those are the turrets. Okay, I'll initialize the trigger up here. Whoa, hey. Just won't shut up, man. R. There we go. And then we define the object triggers here. Alright, that's very loud. Should I close my door? Is it getting too annoying for you guys? Because it definitely is for me. Alright. It's trigger though. It's private. Okay, what's wrong here? Oh, there we go. Alright, let's reference those in the editor. Come on. No, close that. Script. Bunker L trig, bunker L trig, bunker R trig. Alright, back in our script now. When do we enter those triggers? We will stop the turrets. Stop these. True. Disable them. LLRR. True. Okay. That should do it. And go to the communal link. Okay, let's do it. Why is it not working? Yeah, I mean, game dev is pretty much like that. Also, I have 3 viewers, and this is like the worst possible place to advertise your merch because I have 3 viewers. There's nobody here. Like, bruh. Well, like, what's your thought process on this? Like, this guy is streaming and he has 3 viewers. Let me advertise my merch here in this extremely unpopulated stream. Like, what's your thought process here? I don't get it. I really don't. What can I do? Yeah, I need to set up the spawners though. Besides that, I need to set up the spawners. So yeah, I need to have a counter. Somehow I need to have a counter. Yeah, I mean, there's nobody here, meaning there's 3 people out of my 18,000 subscribers. That's what I mean. Like, you know what I mean. I don't know how to find all the NPCs. What if I... Yeah, I got it. I got it. Trigger, go to trigger. Reference player object. Go to trigger here. Yeah. Object. Private game object, player object. Player. Are you okay? I don't have the script on. That's fine. Player. I'm just referencing player. So NPCs. There we go. NPCs. Okay. Public total allies. Int total allies. Let's do total enemies as well. Enemies. Is this game just something you're doing for fun, or are you actually making... I mean, both. I am both making a game for fun and actually making the game for the sake of making the game itself. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be selling this or not. I think I should sell this because it does take a lot of my time and I do need to profit from this time I'm wasting. And I do like what I'm doing. I did have a plan of doing this. I wanted to make such a game for quite a few years. There are, like, of course, 3D games I have in mind which are way beyond my abilities right now. I do need more time with this, and I do need to have time to do these stuff because this is like a 3 months old game and it's progressing really fast, and I'm quite satisfied with it. But if I were to move to larger, more complicated projects, then we would have trouble because I would have to spend much more time doing the assets, doing the code, doing everything, and I might not have that time. And if this game has enough profit, if I sell it, I don't know if I'll sell it or not. And I do have to make an announcement for it because I haven't done an announcement yet for it. I do need to sit down and write down a video showing all this thing. Now, besides that, if I sell this and make enough profit and see that everything is going well, I may consider upgrading to a 3D game, which I have quite a few ideas for them. So anyway, now we have to count all the enemies and all the allies, which will be by making a loop, actually an update. Find object with tag, find object of type. Is that it? Okay, let me do something. Bruh. So yeah, I really hope this has some profit. Like, I don't expect it to be super successful, but I just want it to be my first, like, cool game like that I made. So, yeah. I mean, I have like 18,000 subscribers on YouTube, and like I barely have 10 views on my streams. My videos are doing okay. They could be better. But, you know, it's like I'm happy for what I have. It's just that, you know, there's always, you can do better. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I do have a solution here. I'll have this NPCs actually. NPCs, and I do need to assign private. This is private, not game object. It's gonna be game object like that, maybe. Yeah. Arrays. Alright. Those are gonna be the arrays. Is this returning an array though? NPCs do not exist in carbon. Okay, let me do actually. NPCs. Alright, there we go. Good, very good. So how do I have to like make a loop for that. I'm looking up something, just bear with me. We'll try to make this code. So let me do an if first. If NPC get component game object. Wait. For each maybe. For each NPC in game object. NPC in NPCs. I think that's how you do it. NPC get component. NPC stats. Whoops. Also player object. Player object. Player stats. Player stats. Player stats. Player object. Get component. Player stats. There we go. My keyboard is on fire. So back here, NPC stats team equals player stats team. Oh yeah, if we need an if. Then NPC enemies. How to add? Is it no add? How do it's not add? How do you add it? Oh man, it's not add. Yes. Resize maybe. Oh, whoa. Resize. No. What is it? Epic keyboard clicking noises. Yeah. Resize. Is it resize? How? Add the object. not sure. Not sure if it's resize because it does make sense. There should be another like add, but it's not add. It's something else. Add enemies. Enemies is like the object array I have here. So else we do, and it's allies. Then we do enemies. Yeah. Let me see if I. It has to be resize. Oh, wait. I think I have something. What is this? I'm confused. Why is this the way it is? Bruh. I'm doing something off stream, that's why you can't see anything. Let's see if this can do anything. Wait, you can't see enemies? Or what's that? Resize. Member array game object int. Wait, really? NPC's length, maybe enemy's length. Oh man, I don't understand this. Member array size cannot access with instance. Ref game object array. Bruh. I have no idea. What if I make it a list? But a list isn't really what I need right now. Oh man. No, this is like C sharp. Like, let me type it. C sharp. It's like it is what it is. I'm not too crazy about it, and I don't hate it too much because I used to really not like it when I first was learning it, but it's not too different from what Call of Duty has in terms of syntax and typing stuff. Like, it looks similar. It's not the same in terms of functionality, but it looks similar, and it's easy to go by if you know basic GSC from Call of Duty. Like, yeah, I'm not sure how do I assign. There has to be another way. There has to be another way. Okay, I'll try allies. What if I do this? Allies length equals NPC. Huh? Yeah, it's my stream is not very synchronized. I'll give you that. Enemies. Yeah, because I typed the C sharp and then I said that I typed it, and you must realize, you know, that is fine. Let's do debug log. Enemies plus enemies length. I'm hungry now. Why am I hungry? I ate. Okay, and then debug log. Allies length. Let's do allies. Let's see if this works. I have no idea if it will, but let's see if it works. Let me show you the screen. Let's see if it works. Oh man. Nope, nothing. There's also an error. What is the error? It's not shown here. It says object reference don't set an object instance of an object. Which one, man? Enemies. Enemies does not set an instance of an object. Bleh. Okay, I think I know why. I didn't initialize the thing. Is that how you initialize it? Like, I guess. What if I do this? You know what? I mean, just copy paste this. haven't worked with arrays too much in this engine. Stop, restart, see what happens. It's pretty chill though. Oh right, it doesn't work. Index out of range, so we have to increase the length. Can you see it? No, you can't. Let me stop the game as well because it's running. Increase the length. We can't increase it like that, obviously. Yes, finally got the code to work. Finally repairs. No, like, I think that resize thing is what I am missing. Let me do something. All right. So I'll probably use what's the name? Resize, because that's how you do stuff. It's not GSC. In GSC, you can basically define an array like that, like array. Whoops, array. Well, yeah, it's fine. Like that. This is an array. You don't even have to define the type or anything, and then you just do array. Array size equals object. That's how you define the array. Also, you don't have to define it sometimes, or actually, okay, scratch that. You do have to define the array first. This is in GSC Call of Duty, right? You define the array, and then you do array size, which is by default 0. You don't even have to define 0. It's just defaults to 0. Don't even have to define a type. And then you just do array size, which is the current size, which is 0, and then you assign the object to the 0 thing, and then you do object 2. This is the size is now 1, and this goes to 1, and so on. It's so much easier in Call of Duty. Like, GSC is so easy to use. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What? I don't think. Let me do something. Please add. You can't add. Don't bullshit me. Come on. It's bullshit, man. Forget this. Let me see if the thing I tried worked. Is anyone watching? 2 viewers, that's fine. 2 viewers are better than no one. Okay, I might have something. I might have to go mute in a bit. But yeah, if we do this, I might be able to stop the stream because it's getting late. It's not a ray, it's not a ray, you stupid. Okay, it's not even this one. Wait, I might have to go mute.